everyone, my name is Rena Jean with RJ's Amazing Entertainment. I'm going to teach you how to twist a superhero balloon today. First thing you're going to need is one 260. I've chosen a red 260. I put 2.5 pumps inside of this balloon. Alright, so the next thing we need, you can see I have a full hand and about 2 fingers on the end, is a second red balloon. So this is going to look like Spiderman by the time I'm done. 1, 2.5. Okay. Alright, so now that I have my 2 relatively close in size balloons, I'm going to take the first one and I'm going to do a single bubble. I'm going to do a second bubble that's going to turn into a pinch twist. And that makes the first foot. I'm going to use 4 fingers to make the shin or leg. Then another bubble, which turns into a pinch twist. Now he's got a kneecap. Ooh! So I am then going to do the same thing here. 1 bubble, 2 bubbles, pinch twist, okay, 4 fingers, bubble, pinch twist. Alright, now that's what I have. 2 little legs. Alright, so I'm going to stick Spider-Man's 2 legs together. I'm going to use a hand for the space, for like the thigh space. Squeeze once to let some of the air out, and then twist. Alright, now this is kind of my favorite part to talk to the kids about because they are silly, and I can be silly too. I squeeze the balloon to let some of the air out so it's a little softer, and then I'm going to take these 2 at the same time and do another bubble. Alright, so I have a double bubble, and then I'm going to fold the top half over the legs. Now I've got 2 bubbles right there, and I'm going to twist Spider-Man a little butt. He's got a cute little butt. Alright, so now I'm going to do the body, and I'm going to do a full hand for the body as well. Just twist the 2 together. So now we're at the neck piece right here. I'm going to do a bubble and pinch twist it on each of these 2 balloons. So we have like a neck. And the reason why we want this is because the arms will be good. So you can do one of 2 things from here. First, you can take the longer one and you can do a folding loop, okay? And twist that in so he has a head, okay? And that's how you do it without any rounds. And then you can adjust these to make arms. But what I do from here, hold on a moment. Let's see if I have any of my special balloons. I have these really cool 5-inch rounds with the Spider-Man face on them so I don't have to draw on my balloons. Kids are like, ooh, you really is Spider-Man at this point, and they're super excited. So I take this deal-my-bob, put it inside there. It sits right on top of those 2 bubbles that I made for the neck brace. And then I take an arm, let's turn his head around so he's watching. Then I took his arm and made another bubble right in between. And that becomes his elbow. Pinch twist that. His other arm, yes, squeeze. And then we shall take this one and give him another elbow joint on the other side. So yeah, we have a party time superhero. You can take his arm and make it look like he's swinging from a web. 1 forward, 1 back. You can give him more of an action running pose. is how you make a child. Thanks for watching.